Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we have something very unique to look at. This is like a brand new Alcom Stealth all aluminum trailer, 6 feet wide by 10 feet long, plus the Vinos. This thing is literally like brand new. I'm gonna walk around and show you some of the options that it comes with. First, it's on a 3,500 pound axle. Here is one of the 2 windows, tinted sliding window, so you have ventilation inside. There's the V-nose with the big diamond plate on it. As we continue walking around it, you're going to notice it's got a full-size spare tire mounted on with the wheel lock. An RV style side door with Alcom's unique latching system so your door won't blow open. It's all aluminum. The other sliding window, plus it's got our cross vent system, which I'll show you when we go inside. So you walk around back. This one is a ramp door, so you can put your toys, bicycles, or whatever inside. Let me put the door down so we can take a look inside. This people were setting it up to camp in it. They camped in it a couple times actually. So if we walk inside, we're going to see they put like a screen door so you can, with magnets on it, so you can go out the man door. This is that cross vent, so there's air flowing. Light switch for 12-volt lights. The other window, they both have screens. They put up a curtain rod in the back, a little basket thing here, and there's some miscellaneous tie downs inside. It's got a ceiling in it as well. This trailer is all aluminum, hard to find. I hardly ever find nice used trailers that haven't been beat up. Don't miss this one out. This one is incredible shape. Give us a call at 503-666-7300 or reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com, and thank you very much and have a wonderful day.